What's up guys? In today's video, I will show you how to fix the processing will begin shortly issue in YouTube Studio. First, open your phone settings, go to apps and select YouTube Studio. Tap storage, then choose clear cache. Next, open the Google Play Store, search for YouTube Studio and check if an update is available. If there is, tap update. After updating, reopen YouTube Studio and try uploading your video again. If the problem still continues, it could be a temporary YouTube server issue. You can check Down Detector to see if other users are experiencing the same problem. If YouTube is having an outage, you'll need to wait until the service is restored. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. And if it did, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.